When you log onto a social networking site like Facebook, all of your friends are literally at your fingertips. A quick look at someone's profile page will let you know what they're up to at any moment. For many, it's a good tool for keeping in touch, but for some, crossing the line is just too easy.
It happens a lot, unfortunately, and this is just another mechanism for doing it.
Divorce attorney Barbara King is talking about cheating. A new study shows 1 in 5 divorce papers reference Facebook. King says her clients are no different. When put back in touch with an old flame, she says an already shaky marriage can start to crumble.
People remember their old girlfriends and boyfriends in a more romanticized way. You know, it was 10, 20, 30 years ago, and it's that thought of what could have been, and it reconnects them.
When you contact someone you're romantically interested in on Facebook, you can write directly on their profile wall. But if it's something deemed too flirty, that can cause a problem because other people can see it. But what about when you send a private message, even go so far as to delete it afterwards? Well, think again, it's not gone for good. A computer expert can retrace every move you make on the internet.
We can say that this person's been on Facebook for this amount of time, etc., and has been sending messages to this person, this person, this person.
King then uses that information in the courtroom as evidence of infidelity.
This is what they call electronic lipstick. It doesn't erase. You know, we used to find it on the collar, now we find it on the laptop.
Stopping the behavior before it gets to that point is something marriage counselor CATHY LEONARD-DRESSLER wants couples to work on. She points out most people are on social networking sites with good intentions. The key is to do whatever it takes to keep it that way.
If, say, a husband receives a flirtatious comment on his wall from another woman, I think the wife is within her right bounds to address that, to let him know it makes her feel uncomfortable.
That person then has the responsibility to make sure the postings stop. If they don't, cut off contact, even deactivate your account. After all, Dressler says, what's more important in the long run?
I think this country has an epidemic of divorce. We have an epidemic of adultery, and a lot of this is unnecessary. I think it's time for people to stand up and fight for their marriage.
In Albany, Kate McVeigh, Fox 23 News.